Hello friends, myself Dr. Satvinder and would like to share here with you something about ourselves. Generally, we listen to others, we look, we get influence from the things happening around us, and we also, get affected by what's happening, what is going to happen, or the news, the information shared on social media, everything have a complete impact on our mind. So, in this video, I would like to give you 2 3 tips with respect to mind management. So if you see this particular picture, so this particular picture is telling about a way that we are going somewhere, but if we look at the destination, the beautiful cottage, the water pond and the greenery, it gives us a very soothing and attractive thing that we should rush fast and we should reach to that particular place. So something we need to fix up in our mind, that the journey is beautiful when we see the beauty around us. So if something is happening, so how we can take out the learning, how we can take out the positive things out of that. So everywhere we happen, we generally talk to manage the material things, to manage the resources, to manage our house, manage the profession, manage the cupboard. But we never think of how to manage our thoughts, how to govern ourselves, how to discuss, how to talk ourselves, how to move towards the positivity. So there we have to work on that. So for that thing, self-talk is very, very important, and you need to, control or limit your intakes from the external sources. So try to improve the internal power so that the internal power can guide you how to go about the things, how to manage your thoughts, and how to look for the beauty. So if we look at the good things in on daily basis, we feel positive, we feel energized, and more we listen to the negative things, more we read negative material, so everything is flooded in our mind. So first of all, the very first tip is that we have to choose what is to be accepted and what is not to be accepted. So for that particular thing, we just need to see that how we are going to spend our day. So we need to plan our day, we need to talk to ourselves, and we need to decide how we are going to take up our day and how we are going to take up our life. So we are our decision maker, we are our master, and we need to be the master of our mind, not to be influenced by others. So for first thing, you can start practicing, and we'll discuss about the other tips in our next video. Bye as for now. Thank you so much.